So for that you have to open your Facebook on a web browser on your or in your smartphone. Then in here you will have to go to settings. In desktop you will find the settings in this arrow sign. So click on settings and privacy, and here then click on settings. You will find a similar option on phone as well. So after going into settings you have to scroll down and click on videos. So in phone you will have to find the videos option as well. In here you will find autoplay videos. You have to click on default and the arrow sign here and click on off. So once you have turned it off, your work is done. Now if you browse videos on your profile, then it will not show, it will not autoplay. As you can see here. So that's how you turn off autoplay on Facebook. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.